looking at the controls, you have your high beam and your low beam. You have your indicator left, indicator right, push in. Some models, like maybe the Kawasaki, you push it down.
All right.
Some models, like the BMW, you do all manner of funny things.
Okay.
Indicators on a motorcycle are not self-cancelling, so the best time to cancel your indicators is on exit of a manoeuvre.
Okay.
So you make a turn, and before you hit it and gear up and go away, you have a look at your dash and go, oh, look, we can see the lights on, and we go, or we maybe see the indicators on, and we can see the flashing somewhere, and there's an aid memoir to say, aha, before you get going and forget all about it. Because on the test, if you go through an intersection, your indicator is on, instant fail.
Oh, really? Okay.
Just for that one thing.
Yeah.
Because in WA, you approach an intersection with your indicator on, somebody will pull out on you. Not maybe, they will.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
Because Perth drivers are incredibly stupid. They're arrogant.
Yeah.
They're distracted. They don't care. They have low skills. They're self-opinionated. They're selfish. They're like spoilt little brats. It's insane.
Okay.
We have many problems throughout the world with poor driving, but Perth seems to collect everything.
Okay. I mean, I drove in Asia, they are not better than here, so...
Well, the beautiful thing about riding in Asia, there are less rules observed, but people think.
Yeah, people think, yeah.
And if there is likelihood of consequence, accident, both people will go, oh, let's not do this.
Yeah.
In Australia, in Perth, it'll be, get out of my way, I've got the right.
Yeah.
And then it's a battle of wills. It's like, you're on a motorcycle, who's going to lose?
Okay. Yeah, of course, me. Yeah.
But the beautiful thing about learning to ride in Perth, you get a motorcycle and you make lots of new friends.
Oh, yeah.
Doctors, anaesthetists, surgeons.
I didn't know that. Oh, that's cool.
Okay, moving on, we've got the horn, we've got the little pass light here.
Sorry, what's it? I never understood.
Okay, just try it. Okay, so you have your high beam and your low beam, and like the stalk on the car wheel. Okay, we have the speedo, the odometer here, which we can trip back to 0. Handy to do this when you fill up, because whilst you have the fuel gauge, this can be more accurate when you get to know your bike.
Yeah.
Okay, you've